Okay, so talking about parallel lines. So you're looking for a Z shape, which means that the angles in the Z are the same and they're called alternate angles. And you're looking for an F shape. If you can see an F there, then these angles are the same and they're called corresponding angles. You also know that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So if this was A and this was B, A plus B equals 180 degrees. So question 1, what's the word that we've got? It's looking for angle D and E. There's D, there's E, and they're equal because if you see, you've got a turn, so it is alternate. Okay, question 2. It tells you that this one is 63 and it wants to know what C is. So if I look, it's a backwards F, but it's an F, and so it's 63, it's the same because they are corresponding angles. Okay, question 3. Right, B is 48, so I'm going to write 48 where B is. Now, because that's 48, I also know that F is 48. F equals 48 because it's corresponding, but it didn't ask me what F was, it wanted to know what H was. Okay, and I know that I've got a straight line there, so I know that H plus 48 must be equal to 180 degrees, so that must be that H is 180 minus 48, which is 132 degrees. Okay, which of these shapes has got only one pair of parallel sides? That's a trapezium. A trapezium looks like this with one pair of parallel sides. Okay, question 5. Which of these has two pairs of equal sides, not parallel? So that's a square, but it's also a rhombus, which is just like a squashed square, like that. So all the sides are the same. Okay, question 6. How many units up does shape S move? So if I look at the top one on here and I compare it here, it's gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places up. It's gone from -2 up to 5, so it's gone up 7. Right, M is now translated 2 to the left and 4 down, so 1, 2 would take it to there, and 4 down would make it 1, 2, 3, 4. So it would go from 4 to 2 in the X, and from 5 down to 1, and then you draw it in, and your shape should be exactly the same, and it should look like that. Then it says, now shape M is rotated 90 degrees about the origin. That means, if I look here at this, it's 5 up and 4 along. If I've rotated it around, it's still got to be the same. 5 up and 4 along, so 5 up, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that B is going to go there. So my shape should be like that. And that's my new shape. And I needed to call that W, and I needed to call that one T. Right, lastly, the perpendicular bisector. I haven't got protractors, this isn't going to look particularly good, but I put my protractor on one end and I make sure it's more than halfway across, and I do an arc top and bottom. I don't move the size of the protractor, compass all the time. I move it to the other end, same width, do another arc like that. Again, it should look a lot better than this. With my ruler, I then join those two together And we should find that that is perpendicular, which is 90 degrees, and it's exactly in half. And there you have it.